guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be putting you through on how you can maintain your iconic Gele. Like you all know, the Gele has come to stay and is very classy when you wear it on English or traditional outfit. Like the one I'm wearing right now, I'm sure you love it. A lot of people have been calling and been asking, how do I maintain my Gele Ojulewa? So today I'll be putting you through on how you can maintain your Gele each time you step out in style. Some of the things you're going to need for this maintenance: you need your water, you need the soap. You can use your fabric soap, you can use your liquid soap, and you need your toothbrush. And you need some water. You can make it warm water. The warm water is actually very nice because you know sometimes the foundation stains are Gele and our moisturizer as well. And some of these has oil base in it. So the warm water will make it to melt. That's the foundation, the oil. This Gele I've been wearing for a while now. I noticed some stain in it. Can you see the stain? So how am I going to keep it clean? That is what I'm going to show you right now, the process of keeping your Gele. This is one of our latest Gele. It's called the Arewa. I have some water here. I've added some fabric soap to it to make it very soapy. Can you see? I'm going to add some warm water to it. The warm water, it will melt away the foundation stain and the moisturizer stain, and you know that has a lot of oil base in it, so it's going to help the cleaning process to be faster. I saw some stains there, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use the brush to clean up the stains. Wow, can you see that? It's cleaning off. So ladies, for you to maintain your Gele, you don't need to struggle anymore. Just get your garment fabric, your fabric soaps, get your toothbrush, some water, some basin, and some warm water, and your Gele is clean and ready to use. Wow, it's getting all cleaned up. I'm so excited, so I can use my Gele in my next event. Wow. Let me go to the other side. Wow, it's cleaning up so fast. Wow. Wow, it's all clean. Amazing. Wow. Can you see that? Haha, it's all clean. Let me clean it some more. Wow. Wow. I'm going to clean the other side now. Wow. You can put it on a flat surface to make it more convenient for you. Can you see? It's getting cleaned up. Wow. So after washing it with your garment soap, you're going to use clean water. This is my clean water. I'm going to use my brush. Then I'm going to use the clean water to clean away the soapy water which I used initially to wash the Gele. So make sure you use the clean water to remove the soapy water from it. Wow. The Gele is already getting so cleaned up. The next thing is for you to dry it. If you have a safe place in the house where you can keep it away from children, you can just put it there, let it dry off naturally. And you can also use your hand dryer for your hair. You can use it to dry your Gele, and you can keep it back into your wardrobe. And that's the process of clipping your auto gele. Can you see, ladies, no more struggling, no more sweating for you to maintain your auto gele. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, and I can't wait to see you next time.